About this item: 9-in-1 function outlet extender, 6 AC multi-plug outlet, 3 side, 15A/125B/1875W, with built-in 900 joule surge protector and 3 USB charging ports, 1 USB-C, total output DC 5V/3.4A, 180-degree rotating AC plug and wide space, save space with unique 3D design swivel power strip, 6 AC outlets with wide space in between, separated enough to fit big plugs without blocking each other. The swivel power strip can turn left and right 90 degrees conveniently. Compact design, 5.22.03 1.90 inch, and easy to carry. Use anywhere needed. Smart charge with USB-A and USB-C. 4 USB ports, total 3.4A. Each USB-A port features 5V/2.4A max output. USB-C charging port features 5V/3A max built-in smart technology, detecting charging devices and deliver optimal charging speed automatically, compatible with Kindle and most USB devices. Note: the USB-C port is not Quick Charger 3.0, doesn't support any other devices which need 922V charging voltage surge protector outlet. The multi-plug outlet provides surge protector against